Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today's video is going to be a braiding video. We're going to be doing some boho knotless braids. Let's give it the size medium. I don't want them too big and I don't want them too small, so I feel like that is the appropriate size for my head. Of course, we're going to be using the one and only EayonHair. This is in the length of 20. This is their loose deep wave and it's a blended color. They blended their 4, 26, and 30 all together to create this beautiful honey blonde color. So I'm so excited to try this, you guys. This is in the length of 20 inches and I have 3 packs. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. Yesterday I dyed my hair jet black, so I'm just giving my hair some extra love with some leave-in conditioner. So for this section here, we're gonna start off with doing 4 braids. Then you just wanna go in with some of your braiding gel and you wanna touch up your roots. So for the braiding hair, I think I'm gonna use around this much hair. I think this is good enough to start off with for the hair. I know I said I was doing knotless, but I've been struggling with that. So we're not doing knotless. These are just gonna be regular box braids. I'm sorry, but I am gonna try to hide the knot best way possible. We have our braiding hair here. I'm gonna use around this much. We're going to loop it around our hair, like so. Once you have it wrapped around, you'll notice that now you have 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3, and you just simply start braiding.
Sounds good.
Now it's time to add some extension. I am going to take around this much. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to take the extension and you're going to place it down like so. Pull it up. You're gonna need a lot of clips. So grab a clip, take some gel, smooth it out, blend it onto your piece. That way you won't have any flyaways. And then simply start braiding.
Sounds good.
Take another piece, smooth it out, add it in, start the braid.
Sounds good.
And you're going to repeat this all the way down. I'm going to add around 8 pieces of human hair to my braid.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Okay, so first braid down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can either just braid all the way down and let it stop, but I was thinking about maybe adding curly ends. So I am just going to add this into the braid as if I was adding braiding hair. And then when you get to the ends, you can just take a piece, wrap it around, and tie a little knot, and that's how you get it to look like this. So this is what the first one looks like. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I hope that made sense. I'm gonna show you guys a few more times what I'm doing, and I'm gonna knock this out. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm finally done. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I dip it in hot water. It's really full. I just finished dipping the hair in hot water. For the top, I'm gonna go in with some foamy mousse. And I'm also gonna put some on the ends too. Now that the hair is nice and saturated, I'm gonna let this air dry. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the final result. I just love this color so much and I really love how it turned out. I was thinking because I used black braiding hair that it wasn't gonna look good, but it actually looks really good. The hair is still really soft and manageable, no tangling, so yay for that. The hair stops right around here near my butt, so it's really long. And yeah, I just love how it turned out. My parts are nice and clean. This is what the back looks like. I usually don't do really small braids because it takes such a long time. This took me around 8 hours, which isn't bad at all. I really love how this turned out. I also used all 3 packs of the hair. So if you're going to do your braids around this size, I recommend getting 3 packs or more, depending on how full you want your braids to be. I love that it feels lightweight, even though my hair is literally like all the way down to my butt. It feels lightweight. I don't feel like my head is dragging across the floor. As far as styles and how to rock your braids, I already have a few videos out on how you can rock them, so if you want to check that out, you can. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have everything about this human hair linked in the description box, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.